Hello students, today we'll learn how to solve linear equations having variables on the both sides. For example, 3x is equals to 2x plus 18. Step 1. We need to identify the variables on both sides. In our case we have 3x and 2x. 3x is in the left hand side, 2x is in the right hand side. Number 2 is we need to bring all the variables on the left hand side and constant terms in the right hand side. So we do this by transposing them. We need to remember that whenever we are transposing, we need to change the signs as well. So we are transposing here 2x from RHS to the LHS. So we keep the LHS part as it is and we transpose 2x. Whenever we are transposing 2x, it becomes minus 2x. So our new equation is 3x minus 2x is equals to 18. Now we carry out the mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division as per our requirement. In our case we subtract because we are seeing that 3x minus 2x, so we need to subtract the coefficient of the variable. So 3 minus 2 is 1, so we keep x as it is. So we get our answer as 1x is equals to 18. So we can further write that x, the value of x is 18. So this is how we solve linear equations having variables on both sides. Let's take another example here. 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. Here we see that variables as well as constants are on both sides. So first step, we need to transpose variables in one side and constant in the other side. So we do this by transposing them. So we are transposing minus 3 to the right hand side, so we get plus 3, and we are transposing plus 3t on the left hand side, we get minus 3t. So our new equation is 5t minus 3t is equals to minus 5 plus 3. Now we carry out the mathematical operation. In the left hand side we subtract because it is 5t minus 3t, so we get 2t, and on the right hand side also we subtract because it is minus 5 plus 3. They are of different sign, so we need to subtract. So our equation becomes now 2t is equals to minus 2. After this we need to take 2 down because it is multiplying t, so whenever we transpose it, it divides the constant that is already on the right hand side. So our new equation becomes t is equals to minus 2 by 2. Now 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, so we get minus 1 by 1, or simply t equals to minus 1, which is our final answer. Let us take one more example here. M minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Here this m and 1 can be written as m by 1 and 1 is 1 by 1. So we can rewrite our equation as m by 1 minus m minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Here we see that 1 and 2 and 1 and 3, they are in the denominator. So what we need to do is we need to take the LCM of those numbers. So 1 and 2, it is 2, and for 1 and 3 we have the LCM 3. So after taking the LCM we need to multiply them properly. So in this way we multiply 2m minus bracket m minus 1 bracket close by 2 is equals to 3 minus bracket open m minus 2 bracket close by 3. Here we need to be very careful. When there is a negative sign, we must put always a bracket there so that when you open them we don't get confused and we don't make a blunder, because we know that negative times negative gives us positive, or minus into minus gives us plus. So after doing this we write the new equation as 2m minus 1m plus 1 by 2 is equals to 3 minus m plus 2 by 3. After this, we need to add or subtract. So here we have 2m minus 1m as m plus 1 by 2, and 3 plus 2 is 5 minus m by 3. So this is our new equation. M plus 1 by 2 is equals to 5 minus m by 3. After this, we need to cross multiply 2 into 5 minus m and 3 into m plus 1. So when we cross multiply, we get 2 into 5 minus m is equals to m plus 1 into 3. Now we have this, so we need to distribute 2 and 3 amongst the number or the terms inside the bracket. So 2 multiplies 5 and 2 multiplies m. Likewise, 3 multiplies m and 3 multiplies 1. So when we multiply this, we get 2 into 5 minus 2 into m is equals to 3 into m plus 3 into 1. After this, 2 into 5 is 10, 2m is equals to 3m plus 3. So 10 minus 2m is equals to 3m plus 3 is our new equation. Again, now we need to transpose the variables and the constant in the right places. So minus 2m minus 3m is equals to 3 minus 10, keeping in mind whenever we transpose, the sign changes. After this, we need to conduct the mathematical operation, that is addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. Here we see minus 2m minus 3m, we need to add them because they are of the same sign, so they get added and then it becomes minus 5m. And on the right hand side, one is plus 3, the other one is minus 10, so we need to subtract, keeping in mind that we need to keep the sign of the greater number. So we have the greater number 10 and it's of negative sign, so we keep minus 7. So our new equation is minus 5 equals to minus 7. Now we need to take minus 5 in the denominator of minus 7. So it's a division here, so we get m equals to minus 7 by minus 5. Now we have both numerator and denominator negative, so we can cancel the negative sign and we can get the answer as m equals to 7 by 5, or we can write this in a mixed fraction also, as we have learned earlier. Let's try to understand one more example here. 7y minus 4 by y plus 2 is equals to minus 4 by 3. Now we need to cross multiply it. So 7y minus 4 into 3 and minus 4 into y plus 2. So when we finally do this, we get equation like this, that is within the bracket 7y minus 4 into 3 is equals to minus 4 within the bracket y plus 2. After we do this, we need to distribute 3 and minus 4 among the terms those are inside the brackets. So we get 7y gets 3 and minus 4 also gets 3. Now minus 4 is given to y and minus 4 is given to 2. We are distributing them. After this, we get 7y into 3 minus 4 into 3 is equals to minus 4 into y plus minus 4 into 2. Keep it in mind, I have kept minus 4 within the bracket because there is another sign, plus sign also. So 7 times 3 is 21, we keep y as it is, 4 into 3 is 12 and we have minus in front of it, minus 4 into y is minus 4y, and plus times minus is minus, so 4 2 is 8. So our new equation is 2y minus 12 is equals to minus 4 minus 8. Now you know that we need to transpose the variables and the constants in the right side. So we have 2y plus 4y because it was minus 4, so it becomes plus 4y, Minus 8, we are keeping whichever is in the right hand side as it is, and we are transposing after that. So minus 12 becomes plus 12, and our equation becomes 21y plus 4y is equals to minus 8 plus 12. After this, we need to carry out the mathematical operation. So in the first part, that is LHS, both are positive, so we need to add. And in the second side, that is RHS, we need to subtract because they are of different sign. So we have 25y is equals to 4. After this, we need to take the coefficient of y towards the right hand side, and we know that coefficient of y is multiplying it, that is 25 is multiplying y, so we need to divide it. So we get y equals to 4 by 25, and this is our answer. That is, the solution is y equals to 4 by 25. Thank you for watching this video. I will be uploading more videos for your